Meet Grace, like we have named her Grace. As you can see, she is watching outside the window and she's so curious all the time.
She want to catch birds outside the window, so she is just observing them, and then after that she go to
Through
catch
the
them.
window, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, she's going through the window. Oh God, she's so clever. Like you can see, she's going directly
Directly.
outside the window. And she's just standing outside and watching everything.
She is so slim and flexible.
And she's looking at us like, look, mommy, I did it. I'm outside. Did
Yes.
you see that? Did you see me? Yeah. And she's just looking at everything.
But we get afraid because it was too high for her. You can see.
Yes, we thought that maybe it's too high for her, so we are just giving her company. I think she thinks that we are also cats just like her. So she's just talking with us, as you can see it. And she's telling us, Mom, look, I'm sitting here. And yeah, she is always experimenting with every single thing, as you can see.
But it can be dangerous for her if we are not able to rescue her.
Yes,
Then it will be very dangerous for her.
yes, it can be really high for her. But now she's walking with us. You can see she's just walking with us like a friend.
She's going to the place from where we rescue her old place.
Yes, do you remember the place?
Now she's coming.
And she's just standing
Yes.
there. Yes, she's following us
follow us.
again. She follows us all the time. She's coming behind us. And she's in the garden again. This is her favorite place in the house. And she
always used to play here, climb on the trees,
yes,
cut the branches.
and climb on the trees.
You can see how she climbed on the trees.
Yeah. Like she's a little monkey. She can climb on trees. This is funny. And she's like, open the door again.
Now
he's
she entered.
Yes. And she's just again walking with us. Like sometimes I don't understand what's going on in her head, like what she's thinking about. What do you think? What she thinks about?
She always think about food, playing, and what is this every time?
Like
When
curiosity.
when she saw anything, she want to ask us, what is this? I want to observe it. Now she look at the camera. What is this?
Yes, she's always curious. She's always jumping all the time. No, she's running away.
Again, running outside.
She's running outside. Yes. And she's like, hey, let's go on a walk. You wanna go for a walk? I feel like she's a little dog, like she's not even a cat because she's so adventurous, no?
Yeah, she is so adventurous. She is smart.
She's so smart.
Look at the tail.
She feels like a dog because she's always so excited. So do you know why is her tail like this?
I think their tail represent their situation and their mood, like mood swings. Like that tail, I can say that our cat explained that she is satisfied with us, she's happy with us, and she want to walk with us. So I think their tail always tell about their mood swing. Now she is looking inside the neighbor house because she is super curious. She want to know what is happening inside.
Yeah, I think she loves drama. Like she likes to see people fighting. She likes when there's some kind of drama and movie going on in the neighborhood.
That she enjoy dramas.
Yes, she does enjoy dramas. Like you can see how
Now she is visiting a park.
Yes, she visiting another garden. This is from neighbors. Like you can see, she's already going into places where she's not invited.
Actually, she loves nature. So where she saw some type of greenery, grasses, she want to jump in.
Yes. She loves exploring. We should name her Grace the Explorer. No?
Yeah, this name fits on her, like Dora the Explorer. But now we can say Grace the Explorer. It fits on her.
It fits to her. True. And you can see how she's just like being the captain and she's showing us around. Like she's walking in front of us and she's like, hey, look at this. I know a cool place.
Yeah.
And she's just.
But when we have to go back, we have to go back home, and now she follow us again.
Yes. Like after some time, she starts following us. That's true.
Yeah.
Like if we call her name and tell her, Grace, we are going home, and then we see if she will follow us or not. Like sometimes we are not sure if she'll be back. But you can see she's running.
Yeah, she's running.
She's like a little dog. That's true. It's
Now
like,
you can see
yes.
she's running.
She's so quick.
Yeah. And then
Even I couldn't catch her.
but she don't go much
Far, yes.
yes, much far for us.
It's true. She's always in this area. She doesn't go too far.
Look at the tail.
Her
Look
tail.
at the hair.
Like her friend, tail is standing up. Why is it like this?
I already explained that it is a sign of happiness, their mood. You can see if there is any danger, their fur become,
Bigger?
yeah, bigger. Again in the garden.
Okay.
She's observing.
And we can see her outside
I don't know
the garden.
I don't know what is she thinking right now.
Me neither. We need to, invent a device where we can listen to cats and their thoughts.
Yeah.
Because me and my friend, we both studied biotechnology and we will study biomedical science. So if we study neuroscience, then we will definitely research on how cats are thinking. Like maybe we will do CT scan on their brain and see what is going on inside that little brain.
It's not little.
It's not little, yes.
It's not little.
They are very clever. You can see like how she's just looking at the camera.
Looked at the camera. Now you can see. She looked at the camera.
And this is a place
Where she entered the house
Enters
and
the
then
house, yes.
go out
In the garden.
the house or in the garden, because we keep close our gate, because we have also our some
gate is closed, yes. So this is her little door. Here she is. She loves to sit under the car.
Yeah, she always sit under the car.
And now she's just giving us company.
Yeah.
So this is mostly her routine. She goes to the garden, she goes outside the house, she goes into this little room that we have because it's very close to the entrance.
Yeah, it's close to garden.
And
Now she I think get tired and want to take some rest.
yes. And she's just looking behind and observing everything. And why is her eyes yellow? Have you noticed? It's mustard yellow.
Yeah.
And she's always on the furniture. Like the places where she shouldn't be. And now again, she's like, okay, maybe I'll go outside again because I'm bored.
Again.
She's always bored. Like will spend 10 seconds in one place, then 10 seconds in another.
Other place.
She's like, did you see me?
I think she called us, join my company. in the
Yeah,
garden.
I
We
think-
should have to play together.
Yeah, I think she thinks we should fit through that little
Yeah,
hole,
yeah.
and we should also come behind her
Yeah.
and join her in the garden.
Yeah.
That's true.
She called us.
Yes, she did.
Look at.
Yeah, she's always looking behind. Like
Behind,
she's such a
because-
gentleman. Like she's always making sure that we are okay.
Yeah. And
She's
we
so
are
caring.
with her. She make sure that we are with her.
Yes. And why are her eyes yellow? Like, have you noticed? They are like really beautiful mustard yellow
Mustard.
color.
Yeah.
I have never seen a cat with this eye color. Never. She's very unique. Like her eyes are unique, and her personality.
Curiosity level.
Yes, her curiosity is unique, and her personality is unique, and she's like a little dog in a cat body.
At the end, we will like to ask question to our viewers. Do you know what a cat thinks all the day? Answer in the comment.